Hello everyone, my name is Omkar Mawade. These are my group members, Mr. Rahul Maske, Mr. Ganesh Kavade, Mr. Saurabh Raut, Mr. Chandrasekhar Murke, Mr. Ajay Charpe, and this project guide is Mr. Samish Phale. He is lecturer of mechanical department from NIT Polytechnic. And our project group title is fabrication of multipurpose agriculture machine. In this project we are perform major three operation. First is seed sowing, grass cutting and pesticide spraying.
While working this project, there are 9 course outcome are mapped. First is implement the planned activity individually or as a team. Then second, select or collect and use required information or knowledge to solve the identified problem. Then third is take appropriate decision based on collected and analyze information. Then fourth is ensure quality in product. Then fifth is incorporate energy and environment conservation principles. Then sixth is consider the ethical issue to related to the project. Then seven is the assess the impact of the project on society. Then eight is the communicate effectively and confidently as a member and leader team. Then ninth is the prepare project report after performing due to plagiarism check using appropriated tools. While working on this project, some program outcome are mapped. First one is basic knowledge. We have used science and math for calculation and measurement. Second is discipline knowledge for different processes, experiment and practice. In this project, we have performed different experiment and practices. Fourth is engineering tool. In this project, we have used engineering tool like spanner, screwdriver, Allen key. Five is engineering and society. This is useful for people and society and farmer. Environment and sustainability. We have know our project environment friendly or not. 7 is ethics. 8 is individual and teamwork. While working on this project, we have performed various operations, individual and teamwork. 9 is communication. 10 is lifelong learning. While making this project, we have mapped some program specific outcome. First is modern software uses like CAD, Creo, CATIA and some designing drafting software. Second is equipment and instrument used for making this machine. Third is mechanical engineering processes like cutting, welding, drilling, grinding.
The fabrication of multi-purpose agriculture machine is made for performing three major operations. First, grass cutting operation. Second is pesticide spraying operation, and third one is the seed sowing operation. This this project is divided into four parts. First is the main frame, construction of main frame, and second is the grass cutting assembly. Third is the pesticide spraying assembly, and fourth one is the seed sowing assembly. So first is the main construction of the machine. This is the main frame is mounted on the rear wheel with the help of shaft and bearings, and one inclined base is provided on the front of the machine for mounting the engine, and one another base is provided on the back side of the machine for mounting the seed sowing assembly and pesticide spraying assembly with the help of nuts and bolts, and then one handle is provided on the back side of the machine for given the desired direction and controlling of the machine, and accelerator is provided on the right side of the handle for given the desired speed and controlling the engine which is connected to the engine with the help of accelerator cable and wires. Then this is the chain and sprocket mechanism which is mounted on the left and back side of the machine for transferring the power during the pesticide spraying operation, and one another gear is mounted on the middle of the shaft of the rear wheel for transferring the power during the seed sowing operation, and this is the clutch housing which is connected to the engine for using this clutch housing is using to transferring the power developed by the engine during the different processes. And then second is the grass cutting assembly. This is the grass cutting assembly. This is the safety guard which is used for safety purpose of operator. And then third one is the pesticide spraying assembly. This is the pesticide spraying box, and this one is the stand for holding the sprayer, and this is the two-way sprayer which is used for spraying purpose. Then fourth one is the seed sowing assembly. This is the seed sowing mechanism, and this one is used to transferring the seed to the soil during the seed sowing operation. Then this is the gearhead which is connected to the engine with the help of shaft and clutch housing, which is used to transferring the power of the engine to the front wheels, and these are the front wheels which is mounted on the shaft of the gearhead with the help of lock pins.
Now, working of fabrication of multipurpose agriculture machine. This machine is used to perform the three major operations. The first operation is grass cutting. This grass cutter assembly is mounted on the end of the shaft, which is connected to the engine with the help of clutch housing. Then this switch is on from handle and start the engine with the help of this hand key.
Seed sowing operation. For seed sowing operation, the seeder assembly is mounted on the back side of the machine and connected the chain gear of the seeder to the gear of the another gear, which is mounted on the shaft of the rear wheel. Then remove the gear head, then remove the grass cutter mechanism and connect the gear head to the shaft of the clutch housing and front wheel, each attached to the shaft of the gear head with the help of lock pin. During the seed sowing operation, machine is drive same as the working of the spraying operation. The change in this operation, the seeder attachment is drive by the chain which is connected to the rear wheel and the seeder. Seed are poured into the hopper and adjust the flow of the seed by the opening the rack and pinion attachment. Then the seed is collected by the seed is collected to the floated roller from the one side and drop into the hole on the another side. The seeder and then seed is comes into the soil with the help of pipe connected to the bottom of the hole of the seeder, and after seed is comes into the soil are covered by the soil cover with the seeds are covered by the soil with the help of soil cover, which is attached to the bottom of the pipe.
Pesticide spraying operation. The pesticide box is mounted on the back side of the machine and connected the sprinkle attachment. Then remove the grass cutter mechanism and connected the gear head to the shaft of the clutch housing, and front wheel is attached to the shaft of the gear head with the help of lock pin. During the operation of pesticide sprinkler, the machine is driven by the front wheel and the power of the engine is given to the front wheel with the help of gear head and clutch housing. After starting the engine, power is supplied to the front wheel from the engine, and the front wheel gets rotate and also the rear wheel gets rot by the front wheel, and the pesticide box after starting the engine power is supplied to the front wheel. The engine and front wheel get rotates and also the rear wheel get rotates by the front wheel, and the pesticide box is operated by the chain and gear arrangement. The driver gear is attached with the rear wheel and driven gear is mounted on the frame near pesticide box. When the rear wheel is rotated, then the gear are also get rotates and piston is moved linear direction.
After starting, the engine power is supplied to the front wheel from the engine, and the front wheel gate rotates, and also the rear wheels gate rotates by the front wheel, and the pesticides box is operated by chain and gear arrangement. The driver gear is attached with rear wheel and driven gear is mounted on the frame near the pesticide box. When rear wheel is rotated, then the gear are also get rotates and piston is moved linear direction inside the box. During pesticide spraying, the rotational motion is converted into linear motion and spraying operation will be done.
We are final year student in mechanical department from NIT Polytechnic in session 2019-20.